Hello friends, I am Nicole with Caleb's Mom Shop, and I was in the middle of working on a design and I thought I would film a little tip or trick for how I add extra tails to my bows, especially when I am using like just one or two ribbons and I want to add some more I guess flair to the bow. So I'm going to show you that. It's very easy, very simple. So this is the swag that I'm working on, and I just used two ribbons. And so one 2.5-inch ribbon and one 1.5-inch ribbon. And so I want to add another tail, one or two tails up here. And I also want some more ribbon flowing out. I have this waterfall throughout the wreath. So we're going to go ahead and do that really quick. Again, it's super simple. You're going to take your ribbon, and so I just want to add another black piece right up here with a 1.5-inch ribbon. So you're just going to cut a piece of ribbon like so, and then you're going to take one of these floral picks. Again, I will attach links in the description of this video for my Amazon affiliate account, and you can find all my supplies there. And so you just put the ribbon around the pick and you're going to twist the piece of wire that comes with it. All right, so just do that. And then I'm going to go ahead with some floral tape and I'm going to go over that wire. And that way that wire is not going to come loose, and you're going to glue it on, but so there you go. So you have a little tail for your bow. So I'm going to put it right up there. I will do that all for you guys. Okay, so I'm just going to put it right up here. And it looks as if, and I'll ducktail it for you as well. So let me take it off. So this is the one I just added right here, and it looks like it goes right with the bow. Like you can't even tell, which is lovely. So there's one. And I think I'm gonna, and then I'm gonna take both of those ribbons, and add coming out this way. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing. But this time, since I'm using two of the ribbons, I'm gonna just layer them on top of each other like that. Okay, I don't have much ribbon, just like that. And I'll take my floral pick, and again, I'll put it around the floral pick and take that wire and just wrap it around. All right, get it as tight as you can. And then go ahead with the tape, and again, wrap the tape around the wire so it is secure and that pick is not going to come loose out of that ribbon. Okay, I don't have much ribbon left, so all right, so there you go. So you have it like that. You want to keep it as close to the bow as you possibly can, so it's like it's actually part of it. See? And I think I'm going to, if I can, I'm going to find some ties, and you're going to hidden a little. So and that just adds it, adds something it just adds some more ribbon to your wreath. So it's like a good fun tip. And you literally need just some extra some ribbon, floral wire, like a floral pick, and some floral tape. And that is it. And we added another tail and some more ribbon. And that is it. I hope this was helpful. And I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have not already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And like this video, comment if you have any questions. In the description of this video, you can also find a link to sign up for my email subscription, where you will receive a lovely discount to my Etsy shop, where all of my products are listed, calebsmomshop.etsy.com. This one will be, if you're watching this fairly new, like after I post it, it should be in there. If not, you'll find some other lovely pieces that I just absolutely love creating, and I love bringing joy to others' homes, especially during Christmas time. So again, I am Nicole with Caleb's Mom Shop, and I hope you all have a fantastic day. All right, bye-bye.